Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share how I was able to take a plain boring bathroom and turn it into something stylish yet functional. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. The first project I'll be making is a bathroom set using those and also some gold, silver and navy blue spray paint. The method that I'll be using is called hydro dipping. Simply pouring some water into a large container and spray paint onto the water, and next dip my brush holder and the other items into the water to make it a marble effect. I repeated that same step for the other items, and then later on allow all of them to dry for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now for the second idea, I'll be using those large jars, those smaller jars, but only using the covers of them to create a handle for the larger jars. Using some string adhesive for a permanent hold and some hot glue for quicker hold, I'll go ahead and add the cover of the smaller jars onto the large top. If you're here for the first time, it is so good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Once that was done, I took them out and spray painted them gold. For the third idea, I'll be creating a tier tray using this plate as well as a tumbler that I'll go ahead and glue together. For a fourth idea, I'll be using this wall decal and 3 frames and also some poster board. I removed the plastic of the frames and took my poster board and cut it to size before I placed my decal for each of the frames. I repeated the same step for the remaining frames, and later on I was able to have 3 beautiful wall decor. And for a fifth idea, I'll be using those paper plates that I got from Amazon to create an accent wall. I'll be using this heavy duty poster strips to add some foam board to the wall where I'll use. And using some hot glue, I was able to paste all my paper plates into my desired design on the foam board. This idea turned out to be so beautiful yet so effective. If you have a large piece of wall that you would like to cover, get you some paper plates and you can find any colors of your liking and cover the wall to make a beautiful accent. I just made sure to cover the whole foam board so the surface will look full with the design of the paper plates.
Moving along, I'll go ahead and create a second accent wall, but this time I'll be using wallpaper. Before I do so, I use some painter's tape to separate my wall in half. I'll be using this white full brick wallpaper. It is so nice. And the best part is the fact that the next wallpaper I put next to it, it will look continuous. Make sure that the full bottom part of my wall was covered and any excess wallpaper was cut off using an X-Acto knife. Can you spot where the wallpaper meets? Because I could not. This looks so well. And next, I'll go ahead and use some gold tape to put where the paper wall ends. Next, I'll go ahead and put together a shelving that I got from Walmart. So I went on and spray painted the legs, but I left the shelving white. Now onto putting together all of our projects for the final look of the bathroom. So enjoy watching that and don't forget to stay tuned for the end result.